Exercise 11.3 trigonometry exercise 11.3 first question. Evaluate first one. Tan 36 by cot 54. Tan 36 by cot 54. If we observe the angles once 36 54, whether these angles are complementary. 36 plus 54 equal to 90. So these two are complementary. So I will write tan 36 by cot of 54. I want to write 90 minus 36. 90 minus 36 equal to 54. So again cot of 90 minus a formula is tan a. Cot of 90 minus a equal to tan a. Cot of 90 minus a tan a. So implies tan 36 by, so cot 90 minus a equal to 36. So tan we will get 36. Tan 36 cancel, we will get 1. So this is the solution of the first one. Next, second one is cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. So if we observe the angles 12 78, so 12 plus 78 equal 90. 12 and 78 are also complementary angles. So either we convert 12 or 78. One of them we will change. Okay. So cos 12 as it is minus sin of 90 minus 12. 78 equal 90 minus 12. So sin of 90 minus a equal to formula. Sin of 90 minus a cos a. So cos 12 minus sin will become cos. Angle 12. Cos 12 cancel, we will get 0. So next question, third one. Next, cosec 31 degrees minus sec 59 degrees. Cosec 31 degrees minus sec 59 degrees. Okay, if we are doing this problem again, we observe this is 31, this is 59. 31 plus 59 equal to 90. These are complementary angles. So we want to change one of them. So cosec 31 minus sec 59 equal to 90 minus 31. So sec of 90 minus a equal to cosec a. So cosec 31 minus, so this is sec will become cosec 31. Cosec 31 cancel, we will get 0. Next, fourth question is sin 15 into sec 75. Sin 15 sec 75. Again if we observe 15 and 75 are complementary angles. 15 plus 75 equal to 90. So sin 15 sec 90 minus 15 equal to 75. So sin 15 into, so 90 sec 90, sec of 90 minus a cosec 15. So cosec is reciprocal of sin. Sin 15 into cosec 1 by sin 15. Sin 15 cancel, we will get 1. Okay, next one. Fifth one, tan 26. Fifth one, tan 26, tan 64. Tan 26 into tan 54. Again 26 and 54. 26 plus 54 equal to 90. These are complementary angles. Okay, tan 26 into tan 54, 90 minus 26. 90 minus 26. Tan of 90 minus a. Tan of 90 minus a equal to cot a. So instead of a 26, tan 26 into cot 26. So tan 26, cot equal to 1 by tan 26. Tan 26 cancel, we will get 1. Okay, next same kind of problem in example 8 once we will do. Example 8. If we are doing example 8, evaluate sec 35 by cosec 55. Sec 35 by cosec 55. Sec 35 by cosec 55. Again, if we observe the angles 35 and 55. 35 and 55. So 35 plus 55 equal to 90 complementary angles. So sec 35 by cosec 55 equal to sec 35 by cosec of 90 minus 35. 90 minus 35 equal to 55. Simply 55 as 90 minus 35. Sec 90 cosec 90 minus a equal to sec a, which is equal to sec 35 by this is sec 35. So cancel, we will get 1. So the answer is 11.3. Second question. So that first one, tan 48, tan 16, tan 48, tan 16, tan 42, tan 42, tan 74 equal to 1. So we need to prove this product is equal to 1. So first I am taking the expression 48, tan 48, tan 16, tan 42, tan 74. Observe 48 and 42 are complementary angles. 48 plus 42 equal to 90. 16 plus 74 equal to 90. So I want to convert. So first expression tan 48, tan 16, tan 42, tan 74. Tan 48 as it is, tan 16 is also as it is. Tan 42 equal to 90 minus 48. 74 equal to 90 minus 16. 90 minus 16. So simply one formula I am writing, tan of 90 minus a equal to cot a. So tan 90 minus a, this will become cot a. So tan 48 first, tan 16 into. So this will become a cot 48, cot 16. So cot is the reciprocal of tan. Tan 48, tan 16, 1 by tan 48, 1 by tan 16. Tan 16 cancel, tan 48 cancel, equal to 1. So this is equal to RHS. Right side we got. Okay, next second question is cos 36, cos 54, cos 54 minus sin 36, sin 54, sin 54. So cos 36, cos 54 minus sin 36, sin 54 is equal to 0. So we need to prove this one. Okay. So to prove this one, so 36 plus 54 equal to 90. 36 plus 54 equal to 90. So I don't want to change this one. I want to change this 36 and this 54. So LHS I am taking left side, cos 36, cos 54. As it is I am taking first sin 36, sin 54 also. Total expression I am taking. Now cos 36 as it is, cos 54 is also same, sin 90 minus 54, sin 90 minus 36. So simply 36 equal 90 minus 54, 54 equal 90 minus 36. Implies sin of 90 minus a equal to cos a. Sin of 90 minus a, cos a. Cos 36, cos 54. Now this is minus cos 54, cos 36. So if these two are equal, getting cancelled, we will get 0. This is equal to RHS. So this is the required proof. Okay, the next one. Question number 3. Third one. If tan 2a equal to cot of a minus 18, where 2a is an acute angle, 2a is an acute angle. Find the value of a. So tan 2a equal to cot of a minus 18, where 2a is an acute angle. Find the value of a. Okay, now coming to the solution. So tan 2a cot of a minus 18. I want to write given tan 2a equal to cot of a minus 18. Cot of 90 minus a equal to tan a. Cot of 90 minus a equal to tan a. Cot of 90 minus 2a, instead of a, 2a, tan 2a. But tan 2a equal to what? This one. But tan 2a equal to cot of a minus 18. Once we observe cot of 90 minus a, complementary formula tan a. Instead of a, I am taking 2a. We are getting tan 2a. But tan 2a equal to cot of a minus 18. So cot of 90 minus 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18. So since it is acute angle, cot will getting cancelled. Cot of 90 minus 2a equal to a minus 18. So minus 2a brings the side 90 plus 18 equal to a plus 2a. 3a equal to 90 plus 18 108. A equal to 108 by 3 equal to 36. So this is the required result. Okay, same kind of problem in example 9. Example 9. If we are doing example 9, if cos 7a equal to sin of a minus 6, where 7a is an acute angle, 7a is an acute angle, then find the value of a. Okay, similar to this one. Solution. Given, what is given? Cos 7a equal to sin of a minus 6. So generally, sin of 90 minus a formula, cos a. Sin of 90 minus 7a, we need cos 7a. So sin, instead of a, 7a, cos 7a. But cos 7a equal to sin of a minus 6. Now these two are equal. Therefore, sin 90 minus 7a equal to sin of a minus 6. Since it is acute, the angles are equal. 90 minus 7a equal to a minus 6. Bringing minus c this side, 90 plus 6 equal to 7a plus c. 7a plus a, 8a equal to 96, implies a equal to 96 by 8. This is equal to 12. So a value 12. Next, so next question is fourth. If tan a equal to cot b, if tan a equal to cot b, where a and b are acute angles, where a and b are acute angles, prove that a plus b equal to 90 degrees. Okay, now solution. tan A equal to given tan A equal to cot B. Already we have one formula, cot of 90 minus A equal to tan A. Cot of 90 minus A equal to tan A. So this one equal cot of 90 minus A equal to cot B. Since both are acute angles, these angles are equal. 90 minus A equal to B. So A plus B equal to 90 degrees. A plus B equal to 90 degrees. Same problem in example. So example 10. If sin A equal to cos B, then prove that A plus B equal to 90 degrees. Sin A equal to cos B, then prove that A plus B equal to 90 degrees. Solution. Given sin A equal to cos B, given sin A equal to cos B. So cos of 90 minus A equal to sin A. Cos of 90 minus A equal to sin A. So this sin A equal to cos B. Cos of 90 minus A equal to cos B. So since A and B are acute, 90 minus A equal to B. So A plus B equal to 90 degrees. So this is the required solution. Exercise 11.3, fifth question. If A comma B and C are interior angles of a triangle, interior angles of a triangle, interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan of A plus B by 2, tan of A plus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2. Tan of A plus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2. Okay, solution. A comma B comma C are interior angles of a triangle. So A, B, C are the interior angles of the triangle. If these are interior angles of the triangle, A plus B plus C equal to 180. Sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180. So here we have A plus B. So bringing C outside, A plus B equal to 180 minus C. So half. Both sides divide with 2. A plus B by 2 equal to 180 minus C by 2. Splitting. A plus B by 2 equal to 90. 180 by 2 90 minus C by 2. So this is. So we need tan of A plus B by 2 equal to tan of 90 minus C by 2. Already we have one formula, tan of 90 minus A equal to cot A. So this formula. So this is the complementary ratio, trigonometric ratios formula. So tan of A plus B by 2 equal to tan 90 minus will become cot. Instead of A, C by 2. So this we need to prove. Tan of A plus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2. Same kind of problem in example 12. So the example 12 is, if A comma B comma C are interior angles, A comma B comma C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sin of B plus C by 2, sin of B plus C by 2 equal to cos C by 2. Sin of B plus C by 2 equal to cos C by 2. Okay, solution. A comma B comma C are given information, interior angles of triangle ABC. So ABC are the angles. Sum property, sum of angles is equal to 180 degrees. A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. So here we need B plus C by 2. Other than B plus C, A bringing outside. B plus C equal to 180 minus A. So by 2. B plus C by 2 equal to 180 minus A by 2. Both sides divide with 2. So B plus C by 2 equal to 180 by 2, 90 minus A by 2. So we need sign. Apply sign on both sides. Sign of B plus C by 2 equal to sign of 90 minus A by 2. So already what we have formula? Sign of 90 minus A formula is cos A. This is the formula. Instead of A, here it is A by 2, cos A by 2. Sign of B plus C by 2 equal to cos A by 2. So this is the required result. Okay, next exercise the sixth question. Express sin 75 plus cos 65 sin 75 plus cos 65 in terms of trigonometric ratio, in terms of trigonometric ratio of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. So we need to express this trigonometric ratio. So in the angles between 0 to 45, actually 75 and 65 angles more than 45, but we need to convert angles between 0 to 45. So 75, 65. So I want to take a complementary. So 75 equal to 90 minus 15, 65 equal to 90 minus 25. So sin 75 plus cos 65 implies sin 90 minus 15 plus cos 90 minus 25. So we have formula sin of 90 minus A equal to cos A. Cos of 90 minus A equal to sin A. So these are the formulas. So I want to apply these two formulas. Sin of 90 minus A cos 15. Cos of 90 minus A sin 25. So this is the required solution. Okay, same kind of problem in example 11. Express sin 81 plus cos 80 tan 81, sin 81 plus tan 81 in terms of ratios of angle between 0 degrees to 45 degrees. Okay, so we need to express 81. So 81 is not lies between 0 to 45. We need to convert in between 0 to 45. Okay, solution. 81 we can write 90 minus 9. Okay, now sin 81 plus tan 81 implies sin 90 minus 9 tan 90 minus 9. Sin of 90 minus A equal to cos A. Tan of 90 minus A equal to cot A. So now we apply this formula. Sin of 90 minus A cos 9. Tan of 90 minus 9 cot 9. So this is the required solution.